He's
bad.
I see that.
Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul and you can find out it never exists. I can feel the changes.
And I'm here with Island Lewis. Say hi.
Hola.
Oh, come on,
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to my perspective. If you're watching mine, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna be starting a murder mystery series.
Yo,
So
let's stay in our office, bro. This is my office.
I feel like you're the murderer then.
No, well, you can leave. You're just like, that's my office.
Okay. Oh gosh, I feel like you're the murderer.
Can you refill my coffee?
Yeah, sure.
It's quite empty.
Here, I'm refilling it.
All right, I'll go get your paycheck. Hang on. Okay, here's your paycheck.
Yeah, I knew it.
Yeah, I was way too suspicious.
Yeah, I knew it. That was like, you wanna stay in this room? I was like, yeah, I knew it.
I was way too suspicious.
Yeah, you were.
That was the great. I was surprised I got murdered first time though.
Yeah, I swear I never get murdered when it's
I know.
Okay, so I'm lagging a lot.
Oh.
So I'm gonna turn my bitrate down.
Alright.
So the video looks a little bit worse from now on because I lowered my bitrate, so I'm not as laggy.
Players picked up the bow, eh? That means he's up here, eh?
Oh yeah, if you want to know what pack we're using, Scopes pack.
I am using edit of Corey Bean's pack. I actually really enjoy this pack, I'm not gonna lie.
Tell me what you. I know what it is, but I'm not gonna spoil because that's just being an absolute dick. And I don't want to be that.
No, you don't even know what it is. You know about one thing. You know about one of them.
I know about one of the giveaways, but.
I'm doing more than one giveaway.
I only know about one of them, so he hasn't even told me the other one.
No! GG.
So, yeah, if you do want to join the guild.
Murder!
Okay, you are the detective. Roll detective. Oh god. What's it called? Goal. Find and kill the murderer.
No, you're the murderer. I swear. I feel like you're the murderer.
Yeah, I died. I knew it was him.
I'm gonna go grab the bow.
Oh, he's guarding it.
I see it. He's
bad.
I see that. Oh my god, GG. Well, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, go check out EJ's channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Adios.